Ready to extend the life of your sweeps? The answer is the new Deere PLUS Sweep product family. Deere PLUS is the only extended life solution of its kind. The difference? A uniquely formulated tungsten-carbide blend is infused into the weld matrix and applied to the wear surfaces of your John Deere sweeps, creating an impact-resistant, metallurgically bonded robotic weld that's consistent and accurate, resulting in extreme wear resistance. The Deere PLUS Sweep will save you time and money, lasting 2 to 3 times longer than a standard uncoated sweep. You'll extend your sweep life, maintaining the intended factory shape longer with greater performance, all while maximizing your seedbed preparation. When you run with us, you can focus on yields, not maintenance. Improve your bottom line with the Deere PLUS Sweep product family from John Deere. Contact your dealer today.